Yo, what's up, everybody? This is AK at Big Wagon Party Rentals, also Big Wagon Customs. And I thank everybody for being on the journey with me for my 1988. It's getting better, it's looking good. But check this out. See y'all the new look and how far we got to get. Y'all just what up, cuz? As y'all can see, we got a new front end, SGC lift kit, 6-inch. Check it out, y'all. Everything freshly brand new. Oh man, check it out, check it out. Check it out, y'all. Last episode we did the rear end.
Steve, Carter. Stick, Kennedy, let's go. Baby's checking in, little baby. I am.
Look, y'all, I done got this far, and I feel like something is missing. What am I missing? Wheels, rims, and tires. If you want to spark your ride up, you got to get rims and tires.
Sheila, check it in.
I mean, it look nice and all. Still feel like I'm missing something, man. I mean, can y'all see all this black, all this plain, and just so much black, man, everywhere. So much black. What should I do? I got an idea. Okay, y'all see it? Okay. Right. All right. I'm still not satisfied, y'all. Out of all the money, all the hard work I put into this thing, man. And it looks amazing. It's coming along good. Something missing. Okay? Can't figure it out. Like I'm missing something. That's what I'm missing, y'all. Woo.
Steve. I am. Steve. I am. Credit chick, check it in. Mary Pollard. Once again, 8 o'clock.
What's up, everybody? I want to thank everybody who took the time out to check us out on our journey. There's plenty more to come. The job is coming along amazing. This is my first time, but y'all stay tuned because it get better.